what can you say about the interview of the Discayas with Julius Babao
Oh,
and Corina
God.
Sanchez? You're saying being a journalism professor and a an official of a media organization.
Siguro yung, kaya sila naging controversial yung interviews, ano, and there was such a mixed reaction to the interview. Kasi, siguro it boiled down to framing. Paano ba frame yung storya?
Yeah.
Huminto ka ba sa, kasi inspiring itong kwento nila?
Mm-mm.
Kasi 60 plus yung kotse nila? Or if i-frame mo ba siya in a way na bakit 60 plus ang kotse nyo? Saan kayo kumuha ng yaman nyo?
Mm-mm.
So, doon siguro nagkakatalo. Sabihin, regardless kung malinis o hindi, or ang motibo ng interview.
Sinabi nila, magazine show naman kami.
Yes, exactly. So, kung for them, wala silang nakitang mali in interviewing the Discayas. And, again, for me, it will boil down to the framing of the story. So, nung sinabi sa'yo na kumita siya sa DPWH, dapat siguro may follow-up question ka. Paano? Anong klaseng kita yan, di ba? So,
Questionable na agad.
oo, dapat siguro parang dapat may red flag na kaagad na pumitik sa ulo mo na, teka muna, nagsimula kayo na ganito kaliit, tapos biglang lolobo yung pera nyo ng ganito kalaki. So, marami pang pwedeng itanong. And I think, had they been able to ask the other questions that were not asked during those interviews, baka hindi ganon ang reaction doon sa naging interview ni na Julius at ni Corina sa mga Discayas.
Yung ginawa ni Mayor Vico Soto,
Yung,
ano mo sabi mo? May tama, may mali? What do you think?
well, on one hand, it spurred the discussion. So at the very least, that in itself is, I think, okay.
Yeah.
No, kasi,
Pero he was also called out for insinuating that
yeah, he
there
was
a
called
10
out.
million.
There was an insinuation kasi doon. And although he said na wala siyang pinapangalanan, but of course, the photos that he posted, no? But then again, parang tama rin naman na pag-usapan kasi yon.
At tama rin na tayo sa media, nag-critic tayo.
Yeah, it should always be criticism, self-criticism, no? So kung kaya nating tama ba yung, if we can criticize people in power, we should also be able to criticize ourselves